Evans Tries an O Level is a chapter about a criminal named Evans who is in Oxford prison. The beginning of the chapter tells us that the head of Oxford prison, the governor, calls the Secretary of Examination Board in order to inquire whether they could arrange an exam in their prison for a criminal named Evans, whose full name is James Roderick Evans. The secretary inquires about the criminal whether he is a violent sort of person or not. Then we come to know that Evans is a kind of actor, a kind of person who acts at Christmas concerts and who is congenital kleptomaniac, means that he is in the habit of stealing. That is why he keep on coming to the prison. The governor also wants to tell the secretary that he is also expert in breaking jails, but he decides against it and didn't tell this part of the story to the secretary. He just talks about the possibility of having examination in the prison, and from their talks we come to understand that Evans, who is a criminal and who is in Oxford prison, he is interested in adding to his educational qualifications, and he is taking German language classes in the prison itself that has been arranged by the government. A German teacher comes to teach him in the prison, and now in the course of his studies, the time is for him to take the examination in German language, that is O level German language examination. And in order to conduct this examination, the governor has called the secretary of examination board and asked him for the possibility of having examination in the prison itself. The secretary tells the governor that they have no problem in conducting the exam in the prison itself. The one thing he says that they will have to arrange an invigilator for the exam. Secretary and governor both discuss over the matter, and they decide that they can have a parson from St. Mary Mag's Church to be the invigilator for this exam for Evans. And they also talk light-heartedly that as parsons are usually the persons who remain silent, they shall not be having any problem in keeping him incommunicado during the exam. So he will remain silent for most of the time, and it would be suitable for his role as an invigilator. So this thing has been decided between the governor of Oxford prison and secretary of examination board that they will conduct the exam for Evans the criminal in the prison itself in his own cell in which he lives alone, and for this exam they will have the invigilator from St. Mary Mag's Church.